How's it going? Today I want to talk about this dash cam. Now this dash cam is incredible. One reason it's incredible, it's an easy plug and play. It goes to the OBD down here below the steering wheel. Once it's plugged in, all you have to do is sync this up to your device. It does come with a 32 gigabyte micro SD card, and it's able to capture everything in front as well as inside the cab of the vehicle. A couple reasons that's extremely important. One, if there is an incident, which doesn't happen often, but when it does, it's very nice to have proof of what exactly happened, not only to the exterior of your vehicle, but also inside. There are times where people will claim you might be on your phone, you might be texting, or you don't have your seatbelt, anything like that. You have proof now with this camera to show what's happening inside as well as outside. Not only is this good for when you're on the road, you can also have it as a security device whenever your vehicle is sitting. So maybe you go to a concert, you go somewhere where your vehicle is going to be in a random parking lot for a long period of time. You have proof of what happens in case there's a break-in or anything along those lines. The setup for this was pretty straightforward. I will say it says to make sure the blue LED light is solid before connecting. There is a spot here that looks like you would be kind of identifying this LED down here, but it's actually on the side. There's like an oval on the side that'll show the different indicators for when this is connected. Once it is connected, all you got to do to mount is a double-sided sticky mount piece here. Now, it will only go one way as far as like how this slides in, so you want to make sure that it's slid in correctly. And once it's slid in correctly, you're good to go. You can articulate this up and down, but you kind of want to have a level playing field. This thing has been a game changer because not only is it going to pick up things that happen outside the vehicle, but it also picks up stuff that happens inside the vehicle. You can have it on your phone, so you have the proof right there. You can use that for any of those incidents whenever people are trying to figure out what exactly happened. There's no lying or fibbing. Everything is on camera, and it's going to be able to show what actually happened. So an absolute game changer. Don't have to wire anything in. You just plug it straight in, power it up, sync it to your phone, and you're good to go.